Assalamualaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 5. So my dear student, let us start our class. Dear student, today is our lecture number 30 and SW number 19 of half yearly, and our today's topics name exercise 6b. From exercise 6b we shall solve question number 5, 6 and 8 CW. Okay, and from 5 we shall solve question number 1, 3, 6, 11 and 15 as your CW, and question number 5 and 7 will be your SW, and from 5 4, 8, 10 and 16. I repeat, from 5 you shall do SW, 4, 8, 10, 16 and odd problem number 7 as your SW. So my dear student, please open your math book, page number 63. From 63 we shall solve question number 5, and from 64 we shall solve question number 6 and 8. I have already written this question on the board. Please follow the board. Here question number 5. Okay, calculate. Okay, calculate. So that means in this number we shall do division of fraction. Do you know what do you mean by fraction of one fraction by another fraction? Dear student, please notice very carefully. The division of one fraction by another fraction means multiplication of the first fraction with the reverse of the second fraction. I repeat, please notice, division of first fraction by the second fraction means multiplication of the first fraction with the reverse of the second fraction. Here you notice 6 by 7 divided by 2. So at first we solve this math. Okay, 5 and sub number 1. 6 by 7 divided by 2, and 6 by 7 we know that 2 has a denominator which is 1. Now notice, division of one fraction by another fraction means multiplication of the one fraction with the reverse of the another fraction. That means 6 by 7 is unchanged, and this division sign will be multiplication sign, and the second or another fraction will be reverse. That means denominator will be numerator and numerator will be denominator. That means 1 by 2, right? Here notice, here 2 is numerator, but in this section it will be denominator. Here 1 is denominator, but in this section it will be numerator. And now 6 is multiplied with all, that means numerator with numerator multiplication and denominator with denominator multiplication. So my dear students, 6 multiplied with 1 and 7 multiplied with 2. Now notice 6 and 2 both number is divided by the number 2. That means if we divide 6 by 2 then we get 3, and if we divide 2 by 2 then we get 1. So here you notice 3 and 1 as numerator and 7 on 1 as denominator. So we multiply 3 with 1 and we get 3, and 7 with 1, then we get 7. So 3 by 7 is the answer of this question. I hope you have understood. Then my dear student, we shall solve question number 3. So similar as question number 1. Here you notice 5 by 8 divided by 4. So first of all we write 5 by 8 divided by 4 by 1, because we know every number has a denominator which is 1. Now we know that this division sign will be multiplication sign and the next fraction will be reverse. That means denominator will be numerator and numerator will be denominator. Okay, now 5 is multiplied with 1, that means numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. That means 5 on the 5 and 8 4 jar 32. So 5 by 32 is the answer of the second question. Okay, next we shall solve question number 6. Dear student, please notice 6 number question is 2 by 9 divided by 9 by 4. Now we know division of first fraction by the second fraction means multiplication of the first fraction with the reverse of the second fraction. Reverse means denominator will be numerator and numerator will be denominator. That means 4 2s are 8 and 9 9s are 81. This is the answer. I hope you have understood. That means 8 by 81. Dear student, please notice the first question answer is 3 by 7. 7 on is 5 by 32 and third question answer is 8 by 81. Next we shall solve question number 11 and 15. Okay, so 11 and 15 we shall solve 11 number and 15 number. Here 11 number question is 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 9. Now 2 by 3, the division sign will be multiplication sign and it reverse. That means 9 will be the numerator and 4 will be the denominator. Then we do the process of multiplication. That means we do multiplication with numerator and denominator with denominator. And now dear student, please notice 9 and 3 both number is divided by the number 3. That means if we divide 3 by 3 then we get 1. If we divide 9 by 3 then we get 3. Now we divide 2 by 2 and we get 1. We get 4 by 2 then we get 2. So here 3 ones are 3 and 2 ones are 2. This is improper fraction. We convert it into mixed fraction. So at first we do division 3 by 2. In 3 2 goes in 1 times. 2 ones are 2 and 1. So here quotient will be the integer and remainder will be the numerator and divisor will be the denominator. That means 1 into 1 by 2 will be the answer. Okay, so we must write answer 1 by 1 by 2. And our next question, question number 15. So first of all we pick up this question. 2 into 1 by 4 divided by 2 into 1 by 4. Now dear student, first of all we convert this fraction into improper fraction. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, that means 9 by 4. On the other hand 4 2s are 8 plus 1, that means 9 by 4. Now 9 by 4, this division sign will be multiplication sign and this fraction will be reversed. That means denominator will be numerator and numerator will be denominator. I hope you have understood. Now 9 multiply 4 and 4 multiply 9. That notice 9 and 9 both number is divided by the number 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9. 4 and 4 both number is divided by the number 4. 4 ones are 4 and 4 ones are 4. Here left 1 and 1, so 1 ones are 1, 1 and 1, so 1 ones are 1, so 1. So this is the answer of question number 15. So my dear student, our 5 number question is done. Next we shall solve question number 6. It is what problem? What problem number 6 is, if you cut 6 into 2 by 5 meter of string into 4 by 5 meter section, how many pieces it will be? I repeat, if you cut 6 into 2 by 5 meter of strings into 4 by 5 meter section, how many pieces it will be? That means we do division of this fraction by this fraction and we get the answer. So first of all we write given that we cut 6 into 2 by 5 meter of string into 4 by 5 meter section. Okay, so the number of pieces will be, so write the number of pieces will be 6 into 2 by 5 divided by 4 by 5. Okay, So now at first we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 6 5 is 30, 30 plus 2, that means 32 by 5 divided by 4 by 5. Now 32 by 5, and this division sign will be multiplication sign, and it will be reversed, that means 5 by 4. Now 5 and 5 both number is cut by the number 5, so 5 5, and 32 is divided by the number 4, and we get 8. 8 on the 8 and 4 on the 4. Now 8 on the 8 and 1 on the 1, we need not write 1. So 8 pieces. How many pieces? 8 pieces. So this is the answer, 8 pieces, right? Okay, and our last question. At first we read the question. A metal pipe of 5 meter weighs 2 into 1 by 6 kg. How long do you cut off if you need 1 kg of the pipe? Okay, so how can we write? We write here 2 into 1 by 6 by 7 kg is the weight of 5 meter metal pipe. After that we write, therefore 1 kg is the weight of how many meter metal of the metal pipe. Okay, so write first. Eight number question. So here first of all write 2 into 6 by 5 meter weight, 5 meter weight, 2 into 6 by 5 kg. 5 kg is the weight of 5 meter metal pipe. Okay, now 1 kg is the weight of 5 divided by 2 into 6 by 5 meter metal pipe. Now we do division, that means at first we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 6, 16 by 5. I repeat, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 by 5. Then we write 5 by 1, then multiply by 5 by 16. So now dear student, 5 is multiplied with 5 and it will be 5 5s are 25, and 16 is multiplied with and it will be 16. So now we divide this 25 by 16 and we get dear student, there is a mistake. Can you understand which one? Yes, here you notice 2 into 6 by 7, but I write here 2 into 6 by 5. So please make it 7. 2 into 6 by 7. Okay, so here it will be 6 by 7. Then 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 6, it will be 20. It will be how much? It will be 20. Then it will be 7. Now 5 by 1 multiply by 7 by 20. Now 5 multiply 7, 1 multiply 20. Then 5 and 20 both are cut by the number 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 4s are 20. So 7 by 4. So we convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So in 7, 4 goes in 1 times. 4 ones are 4. That means 3. So 1 into 3 by 4 meter metal pipe. Dear student, notice carefully. Okay, So this is the answer. And I am really sorry for my mistake. Okay, dear student. So the answer of this question is 1 into 3/4 meter. Okay, dear student, this is our today's CW. And I repeat your SW. Okay, here question number 5. From question number 5, you shall solve 4, 8, 10 and 16. And odd problem number 7 is also done by yourself as your SW. You must do your assigned SW in your SW copy and submit it regularly in our school. In our school, every Saturday you must submit it, and within 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. So my dear student, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.